Hello friends, how are you today? Welcome to my channel Shane Wits. I am Suresh Reddy Gotike. I am a Java lead developer. I have started my career in 2010 as a Java developer. As part of my professional experience, I have worked for multiple organizations and for multiple projects from different locations including India as well as USA. As part of my experience, I have worked on almost all Java based technologies and frameworks such as Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, REST APIs, microservices, and cloud native development and React.js. I love teaching Java. That's why I have created this channel and wanted to teach Java and Java based technologies to the students who wanted to start their career as a Java developer, or for the professionals who wanted to switch their career into Java platform or Java stream. So please encourage me and keep watching my videos and like my videos and provide your valuable feedback and suggestions. My introduction. So let's move on to the subject. This course is about Java programming language. I have uploaded the multiple videos here. So please watch all the videos, and by the end of this course you will become an expert and you can write the Java programs on your own. So what is Java? So is Java a programming language or a technology? I would say it's both. It's a language, it's a programming language, as well as it's a technology. How? I'll explain. So like other languages like C or C++, Java is also a programming language. It gives all the programming features and the programming constructs, and it provides the syntax and the rules to write the program like other languages, so that you can use all those things, all that stuff, and you can develop an application using those concepts. So if you see in that way, that is a programming language. But by using all these concepts, all the Java features and the concepts, and if you can develop something which can be reused, like if you can develop something like a library, or if you can develop something like a framework, so that can be reused by other people, by other applications. So like we see so many frameworks in the market based on Java. So if we can develop a library or a framework using Java programming concepts, then that particular library or framework is called as a technology. So if you see the Java in that way, you call Java as a technology. But if you restrict yourself just to see only the programming concepts and the rules and the principles of Java and the syntax of Java to develop a small programs, then Java is a programming language. So finally, the conclusion here is Java is basically a programming language which will give you the programming concepts and the rules and the principles. Using those principles and rules and the concepts, you can develop an application, right? You can develop a library, you can develop a reusable components. So those reusable components of the frameworks are the so those will be called as the technologies, Java-based technologies. So basically, so finally, Java is a programming language. Using that, you can develop the technologies, Java-based. Before deep diving into the concepts, so first let us try to understand the history of Java.